There once lived a young man renowned for his extraordinary brilliance in a small village tucked away among the mountains. People would often go from far-off areas to seek his knowledge, because he could easily solve the most challenging issues and provide the most difficult answers. After hearing about the young man's extraordinary intelligence, a traveler from a distant land once arrived in the village and asked to meet with him. When they finally did, the traveler said, "O wise Zen master, I have traveled a long way to seek your guidance. I have a question that has troubled me for years. How can I use my mind to its fullest potential?" After a long walk, they arrived at a serene pond deep within the forest. The Zen master smiled gently and invited the traveler to join him for a walk through the lush forest that surrounded the village. As they walked together, the Zen master remained silent, and the traveler grew more impatient. Given the Zen master's reputation, he had expected a profound answer immediately. The traveler peered into the clear water and replied, "I see fish swimming gracefully, and I see my reflection in the water." The Zen master nodded, and then handed the traveler a small pebble. "Now," he said, "take this pebble and throw it into the pond." The traveler did as instructed, causing ripples to spread across the water. He watched as the fish scattered, disturbed by the disturbance he had created. The Zen master asked, "What do you see now?" The traveler replied that the water is no longer calm, the fish are agitated, and my reflection is distorted. The Zen master smiled and said, "You see, my friend, the mind is like this pond. When it is calm and still, you can see things clearly just as you saw the fish and your reflection. But when you introduce disturbances like worries, desires, and impatience, the mind becomes agitated and clarity is lost." The traveler understood the profound lesson that the Zen master had imparted. He realized that to use his mind to its fullest potential, he needed to cultivate inner stillness and patience. He thanked the Zen master for his wisdom and returned to his homeland, carrying with him not only the answer to his question, but also a newfound appreciation for the power of a calm and focused mind. From that day on, the Zen master's reputation spread even further, not only for his intelligence but also for his ability to teach others the art of using their minds wisely. The morale of the tale is to cultivate inner peace and patience so that we can think clearly and make the most use of our mental capacity. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you.